Hey guys, have you ever noticed when you use the fill tool, you have these white edges? Well, let's get rid of them. Here's what you do. Say you got your shape, whatever it is, and you fill in the color, right? So you fill it in, and then when you zoom in, oh, well, why is it all this stuff? Where's this going? How do you get rid of it? Isn't it annoying? Well, there's a little feature here in Firealpaca. So what you do is, you see at the very top, you go up, then you use anti-aliasing, which is there. Go to expand, then go to play around with these. I use number 1. Click on that, and then fill it in with whatever color. Zoom in. Oh, and look, behold, it's gone. What happened? There, that's an easy fix. So now you can start coloring without going nuts and losing your mind, and that way you can just focus on your art. And there it is. Like, share, and subscribe.